In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create slides in Replit. We'll start on the Replit homepage. Open your browser and head to replit.com. If you see a prompt to sign in, go ahead and use your usual account so your work is saved. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard, which shows your recent projects and tools. That's the right place to begin. Now look over to the left-hand side of the screen. This sidebar is where Replit keeps quick actions and creation tools. Find the option that lets you start fresh, then click Create Something New. This opens a clean workspace geared toward generating content with Replit's AI features, so you don't need to set up a programming environment or templates first. In the new workspace, you'll see a prompt box. This is where you'll tell Replit what you want. Click in that box and type your idea. Be clear and specific. For example, include your topic, who the slides are for, the tone you want, and roughly how many slides you need. The more context you provide, the better the structure and flow Replit can produce. If you already know the key points you want covered, list them here so they show up in the deck. Just below the chat box, you'll notice options for different output types. Click on Slides. Selecting Slides tells Replit to format the response as a slide deck instead of a regular text answer or code snippet. This small choice makes a big difference in how your content is organized. Replit will get to work immediately. You'll see it generate content based on your prompt, arranging ideas into titles, subheadings, and concise points. Give it a moment to finish. If it pauses, let the process complete so you can view the full deck before making changes. Once the result appears, review the slides from top to bottom. Check that the opening slide clearly states the topic, that the middle slides develop your main ideas, and that the final slide wraps up with a summary or next steps. Edit any text directly if wording needs to be sharper, shorten long sections for readability, and make sure each slide has one clear message. If something's missing or the order feels off, adjust the content so the narrative flows naturally from introduction to conclusion. If you want to refine further, you can add more prompts right in the same chat. Ask for a different tone, request a new slide on a specific subtopic, or have Replit simplify dense wording. Keep iterating until the deck matches your goals. And that's it. You've created slides in Replit fast and with structure that's ready to present.